children, I hope you all are doing well. This is 5th class maths. Today I am going to teach you block 6, unlike fractions, adding and subtracting. Today our topic is S1, converting fractions. Converting fractions. Previous class we learned about introduction of fractions and types of fraction. What is fraction, children? Fractions means fraction is a part of whole. Okay, fraction is a part of whole. Then types of fraction. In types of fraction, how many types of fractions are there? 6 types of fractions. Which are they? Like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, unit fraction. Okay. These are the examples I wrote here. 3 by 4, 21 by 5, 14 by 9, 2 by 7, 12 by 15. Children, in this examples, which are the proper fractions and which are the improper fractions? Children, we know about proper fraction. What is the definition of proper fraction? In proper fraction, numerator is less than denominator. What? Numerator is less than denominator. Such type of fractions are called proper fractions. Now tell me, children, which are the proper fractions? 3 by 4. Next, 2 by 7 and 12 by 15. These are the proper fractions. Proper fractions are always, values of proper fractions are less than 1, children. How? I'll show you one example. 3 by 4 I'll take. 3 by 4. See, we'll divide this 3 by 4, children. So 4 here, 4 is bigger number, 3 is smaller number. How will I divide, children? So if it is this. Now we divide 3 by 4. So here it is 3 is smaller number, 4 is bigger number. So we can't divide it, children. See what we will do here? We write point and then we will take equal to 0. Now we will divide. 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now again here 2 is there. Now I will take one more 0 because already we put the point here. Now 20. 4 5s are 20. 0. So now 0.75 is the answer. All points decimal numbers. So 0.75 is the less than, value is less than 1, children. Now 21 by 5 and 14 by 9. These are the improper fraction. What is the definition of improper fraction? In improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. What, children? Numerator is greater than denominator. So all this type of fractions are called improper fraction. Okay? Improper fractions or values are improper fractions are greater than 1. How I will show you, children? 21 by 5. If you divide, divide. Now you divide, children, this. 5 4s are 21. So here 1 is there. What we will do here? Write point and write 1 0. 5 2s are 10. 0. So here 4.2. This 4 is this decimal number. This is the 4. So it is the greater than 1, children. Okay. So all improper fractions are greater than 1. Take out your workbook, children. Block 6, S1, converting fractions. First write date, children, here. First bit, circle the improper fractions. So now you know children which are the improper fractions. So first, this already they circled here. 22 by 7. This is proper or improper children? This numerator is bigger. So this is improper fraction. Now 44 by 9, improper. 4 by 7, proper. 12 by 15, proper. 5 by 3, improper. 3 by 4, proper fraction. 100 by 11, improper fraction. 50 by 8, improper fraction. 151 by 10, improper fraction. Now second bit, convert improper fractions to mixed fractions. Draw a diagram. Okay. Now a bit, 3 by 2. So they are asking here, convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. Draw a diagram. This sum I will show it on board children. Now I will show you first that examples sum on board children. This is 3 by 2. First I divide 3 by 2. 2 1 is 2, 1. So what is the answer? 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 by 2. So this I shown in the figure children. Here first 3 by 2. In 3 by 2 how many halves are there children? We will divide 2 into 3 parts. That is 1 by half, 1 by half, 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So 2 halves is equal to, how much children? 2 halves is equal to 1. Okay, here remaining 1 by 2. Okay, understand? So answer is 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2. Now I show you how do you write in mixed fraction. So after dividing, we start from quotient. Quotient we write here, and 1 is remainder. This is divisor. So divisor we write down denominator place. Okay, 1 by 2. Don't confuse children. First what you write here? Quotient. And 1 is in remainder, numerator place. Remainder what you get, that you write in numerator place. Divisor we write in denominator place. Okay. Now we can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction also children. Let us show you on board. See, this is which fraction? Mixed fraction. Before first bit we learned about, second bit we learned about improper fraction we converted into mixed fraction. Now I will show you mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. How we convert children? Here 2 1 by 3 is there. So first we have to multiply 3 into 2. 3 into 2, then add it this children. How I will show you? 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 into 2 plus 1. We will start from here. Then we will add this one. Denominator by 3. So first we multiply. 3 2s are 6. Always first we multiply children. 3 into 2. 6 plus 1 divided by 3. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 3 is the answer. So here this is the improper fraction. We can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. Vice versa. Okay. I hope you all understand. Now first second bit B1 I will show you children. This 22 by 7. So this we can't draw children. Yes, place is less. So we'll divide 22 by 7 and make part here. So now divide 7 3s are 21. 1 is the remainder. So what is the answer? 3 1 by 7 is the answer. Okay. Now C1. 44 divided by 9. 9 5s are 45 big number. So we will take 9 4s are 36. So this is a small number. We will take borrow. 14 minus 6 is 8 0. So answer is, we'll write like this. First this number, then 8, then 9. Next 5 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 2 is the remainder. So answer is 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3 is the answer. Here 100 11. 11 nines are 99. So 1 is the answer. How we will write this? 9 1 by 11 is the answer. This bit you do it your own, children. Next third bit, convert to improper fraction. Now this is a mixed fraction. We will have to convert in a improper fraction. This type of sum I will show on board, children. Now B bit, how we will convert in improper fraction? First we will multiply 4 into 5, then plus 3. Now 4 into 5 plus 3 divided by 4. Now what is the answer? First multiply, children. Don't add first. First you multiply, then you have to add. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23 by 4 is the answer. Next C bit, 3 1 by 2. So the confusion, first you multiply, then add. 3 into 2, sorry, 2 into 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2 is the answer. This bit you do it your own, children. Okay. I hope you all understood. Complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.